afternoon, everyone. My name is Alvin Paulos. I'm a PhD student from Kembuk National University, Korea. So today my topic is about a combined PDR and Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm for indoor localization. So during the presentation, I will talk about the motivation of this research, an introduction part of PDR algorithm and Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm, and we proposed a fusion system for indoor localization. In that proposed system consists of PDR positioning, Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm, and a sensor fusion framework with using Kalman filter. And the next experiment scenario and how we did the experiment and result analysis. Finally, I conclude my topic. So the main motivation of this research is to reduce the PDR drift error. PDR means pedestrian dead rocking system using IMU sensor detect the position in an indoor scenario. For outdoor, we can use GPS or some other technology for detecting position. But when we consider in indoor scenario, there are many challenges. For GPS system, it is very difficult to penetrate the signals in indoor scenario and detect the position. So the accuracy will degrade. So in this proposed system, we consider PDR drift error, and when we consider the Wi-Fi positioning system, the main challenge is the RSSI signal fluctuation. So we also consider the RSSI received signal strength indicator fluctuation in an indoor scenario for detecting position. And for this challenge, to overcome this challenge, we proposed a sensor fusion framework using PDR and Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm. So in the introduction, there are many different types of positioning techniques used for indoor scenario, like UWB positioning, RFID or PDR or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or CP, or there are many different types of, even the latest research, visible light communication or sound ultrasonic sensors. Using that, they are detecting the position in an indoor scenario. In this research, we consider two existing technologies, PDR positioning and Wi-Fi positioning for indoor localization. And the major limitation for PDR is the drift error. This is due to the sensors used in the PDR system. For estimating position in the PDR system, we consider accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer, and combine these sensors, estimate the position. So in the real situation, in the experiment scenario, the sensors, they have some problems. They will affect the accuracy of system. So we consider the PDR drift error, and when we consider the Wi-Fi system, the Wi-Fi non-line of sight condition or the Wi-Fi fluctuation in the indoor scenario again degrade the position accuracy. So to overcome this situation and to overcome the line of sight condition, so we proposed a sensor fusion framework. And the proposed system, we achieved around 1.6 meter average localization accuracy as compared, if we compare individual system like only PDR, only Wi-Fi system, and when we combine this together, we got around 1.6 meter localization accuracy. So here is the proposed position estimation algorithm. So in this proposed system, we can divide three stages. The first part PDR positioning, and the second, the lower part, Wi-Fi positioning, and the final stage is Kalman filter using the combine the position from PDR and Wi-Fi, and finally estimate the fusion positioning system. So when we consider the PDR system, we have three sensors, accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer. And from accelerometer, first we estimate the steps and detect the step detection, and from step detection, step length estimation. And using gyroscope and magnetometer sensor, we estimate the heading. and from heading information and step length information, finally we estimate the position. And when we consider the Wi-Fi position technology, we collect the RSSI signal from different access points, and using a trilateration position technology or algorithm, we estimate the position. And finally, for combining the position from PDR and from Wi-Fi trilateration, we use a Kalman filter, and finally we estimate the fusion or fused position. For combining, instead of Kalman filter, we can use different technology, different fusion like particle filter or hidden Markov rule, or extended Kalman filter or unset Kalman filter. Here we used a linear Kalman filter. So in the PDR positioning, we have 4 stages. First we have to estimate the step length. Then next stage is pitch and roll estimation, and heading estimation, and position estimation. So in the first stage, we used a conventional algorithm, Kim's approach. So using this formula, we estimate the step length. So step length is here the average value of accelerometer we consider for estimating the position. And from the next stage is in the PDR positioning is the pitch and roll angles. So the pitch angle and roll angle are estimated by using the conventional method like sine inverse AY by G. Here G denotes the gravity, and AY, AX and AZ denotes the linear accelerometer XYZ values. And the next stage, third stage of the proposed system is heading estimation. For heading estimation, we use 2 sensors. First we estimate the heading from magnetometer. The first equation is conversion of smartphone coordinate system to global coordinate system. So using the first equation, we convert our estimated smartphone coordinate system into a global coordinate system, and estimate the heading using the second equation. And we also estimate the heading from gyroscope using this mathematical model quaternium update. Here we consider the quaternium update, and using the equation we estimate the heading. Then finally we combine these 2 heading information and estimate the final heading. And the last stage of the proposed system, PDR system, is using the heading information and step length information, estimate the position using the last equation. And in the case of Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm, this is a conventional algorithm. All researchers use this normal method for estimating position using Wi-Fi RSSI signal. Here we consider, in our experiment, we considered 4 access points in 4 corners, and the user position XP and YP. That position is estimated by using the RSSI values from 4 access points. First we estimate the distance. For estimation of distance, we consider free space path loss model. So FSPL model, first we estimate the distance, and using this distance information, we apply this distance information to trilateration algorithm. So using that trilateration algorithm, finally we estimate the XP and YP. And the last stage of the proposed system fusion framework is to combine these 2 position result from PDR and from Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm. We used a linear Kalman filter, and using this method we estimate the final position. So for the Kalman filter, it has 2 parts, predicting and updating. So this is a basic mathematical model for Kalman filter. So when we apply the Kalman filter, finally we estimate the user position. So next is experiment scenario. We did our experiment scenario like this setup. Here we considered 4 access points in 4 corners, and the length is 45 and width is 39 meter, and the user started from 10 meter far from the first access point. And here summarize the result. When we consider PDR system, PDR has the around 2.9 meters maximum localization error. When we consider the Wi-Fi system, the maximum localization error is 2 meter, and the proposed system by combining the result from PDR and Wi-Fi, we have 1.6 meters error. And this is our current research. So in the PDR positioning, we consider only Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm, but the trilateration algorithm, they have more error, 2 meter error in indoor scenario. So we also consider to overcome the line of sight condition, like trilateration algorithm only possible only line of sight condition, and the free space path loss model again make some degrade our position accuracy. So to overcome, our idea is to combine the trilateration and fingerprint algorithm together to propose a new algorithm for Wi-Fi positioning. So here we consider this result. We can see 3 conventional method: Wi-Fi trilateration algorithm, Wi-Fi fingerprint algorithm, Wi-Fi weight path loss. The third one is Wi-Fi weight path loss algorithm. And in Wi-Fi positioning, we proposed a new algorithm by combining a trilateration algorithm result and a fingerprint algorithm result, and we estimate the position. And these are our recent result. When we consider the PDR system, we have around 2.6 meter maximum position error, and trilateration we have 2 meter, and when we consider the fingerprint algorithm, around 1.75 meter localization error, and weight path loss algorithm 1.7, around 1.7 meter localization error, and the proposed Wi-Fi fusion system we have around maximum 1.35 meter localization error. So in the conclusion, in here this paper we proposed a fusion system by combining PDR result and Wi-Fi trilateration result, and the PDR system has 2.9 meter error and Wi-Fi system 2 meter, and our proposed system we have around 1.6 meter errors. So in our future work, we already discussed about our future work by adding the fingerprint to the database system to overcome the long line of sight condition. So proposed a new method for Wi-Fi positioning, and our final object of this research is to combine our proposed Wi-Fi fusion and the PDR, and to reduce the position error as much as possible. Thank you for your attention.